In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to Excel in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a sheet you've been working on in Smartsheet and download it as an Excel file that you can open, edit, and share outside of Smartsheet. Let's start from your Smartsheet project sheet. Go ahead and open the sheet you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and looking at the right sheet, because whatever you see here is what will be exported. It's also a good idea to quickly review your data before exporting. Check that your columns are set up the way you want, your rows are complete, and any key information is visible. If there are filtered views or hidden columns, remember that the export will reflect the structure of the sheet itself, not just what's currently filtered on screen. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top left of the Smartsheet interface. You'll see a main menu bar, and in that bar, you'll find the File option. Click on File. This is where Smartsheet puts actions related to saving, exporting, and other file-level operations for the sheet. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. In that list, look for the option called Export to Microsoft Excel. This is the command that converts your current Smartsheet into an Excel-compatible format. Go ahead and click Export to Microsoft Excel. At this point, Smartsheet prepares a copy of your sheet as an Excel file. Depending on the size of your sheet and your internet connection, this may take a moment, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Next, you'll see a prompt or a small window that confirms the export action and may show you the file name that will be used for the download. This is your chance to double-check that you're exporting the correct sheet. When you're ready, click on Export. Your browser will then either automatically download the file to your default downloads folder, or it may ask you where you'd like to save it. Choose a location you'll remember, especially if you plan to share or upload the Excel file elsewhere. Once the download is complete, you can open the file in Microsoft Excel or any compatible spreadsheet program. From there, you can format, analyze, or share your data however you like, while still keeping the original version safely stored in Smartsheet.